Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make funnel cake. Yeah, man, funnel cake is a carnival special, and you would wonder why. It's because it's quite simple to make and it's very tasty. It's so diverse. You can use this to make so many things. So without further delay, let's get right into the funnel cake recipe. So first I'm going to go in with all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, salt, baking powder, and mixed spice. Just gonna mix this all together to incorporate all our dry ingredients so that one side of the mixture won't be overwhelmed by salt, sugar, or any other dry ingredient for that matter. So there's our dry ingredients. We're gonna set that aside and get to the liquid ingredients. Going with 1 egg, vanilla, and of course milk. Gonna give that a nice whisk to beat the eggs out and incorporate all the ingredients. So we're gonna go straight into our liquid ingredients with the dry ingredients. We're gonna gradually mix this in. So we're looking for a pancake batter consistency thereabout. Just gonna mix this for about 30 to 40 seconds just to get all the ingredients incorporated. It's quite fine to have a bit of lump because those will create air pockets and help our mixture to be nice. So there you go. That runny consistency, that's what you're looking for. So as the name suggests, funnel cake, but however I don't have a funnel right now, so I'm using here a regular sauce bottle. So what I did was I went ahead and I cut the tip off just to get a bigger opening, as you can see. Just gonna add that straight into our bottle. Now we're gonna go ahead and fry them. We're gonna start from the outside in to get that nice spiral look. We'll let this fry for about a minute on each side or until golden brown, and we'll have the perfect funnel cake. And we're just gonna go ahead, turn that right over, just like that. Look at that, beautiful. And you're gonna repeat this process until all your batter mix is finished. Just gonna remove that and put it on a piece of paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Some icing sugar, and you can have it just like that, or you can have it with whipped cream or ice cream. It's gonna serve that up with Jamaica's finest grape nut ice cream. Forward, show you what I go on. And there you have it, funnel cake made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
I'm see another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.